Good morning, student. How are you? Fine? I am also fine here, student. And I hope you are preparing yourself for your examination that begin in which day? From 1st of February. And I hope you are doing hard work for your examination and you prepare yourself for the any difficult questions. Is it clear? I am right? Yes. Now, if you have any difficulty, you also talk with your subject teacher. Okay, student? Now, we continue our work that is related to chapter number 18. And in this chapter, I already completed my explanation part and we also wrote which thing, that is the new words of this chapter, and book exercise also completed. Now, today we write which thing? Which thing? Question answer. See the heading. Answer these questions. And these questions also given in your which thing? In your textbook on the page number 124. On this page, these 5 questions given, we write the answer of this question. Okay, student? Now, we start our writing work. Write first question. What is given in the book? First we read this question. Answer the following questions. First number. Write the definition of pollution. Means what is the meaning of the pollution? Write that definition here. Okay? First we write the question. Write the definition of pollution. Full stop here. So we write the answer of this question. The answer of this question is mixing of unwanted things in the environment is called pollution. Is called pollution. What is the answer of this question? Definition of pollution, mixing of unwanted things in the environment. Now, environment, if we include so many things in environment, that we say this is the environment. Means if any unwanted thing mix in the factor of the environment. What is the factor of the environment? Air, water, soil, human beings. After that, air, land. Soil means land. So, if any unwanted thing mixing in that factor, so we say this is the pollution. Clear? Means unwanted thing or dirty thing mix in the factor of the environment. We say this is the pollution. Clear? So answer number 1 is here. Mixing of unwanted things in the environment is called pollution. Write the definition of the pollution. And what is the definition of the pollution? Mixing of unwanted things in the environment is called pollution. Now, number 2. What is it? What is the number 2? Read the question. What is the number 2? Number 2. Second question is, what are the main causes of air pollution? What is the question? First you understand the question. What are the main causes of air pollution? Means which thing mix in the air and air get polluted or air become polluted. किन कारणों से हमारी हवा खराब होती है, वायु खराब होती है? क्लियर? तो राइट दैट कॉजेस, क्या कारण है? The main causes of air pollution. Are 1 number. What is the first number? Releasing of poisonous gases from releasing of poisonous gases from factories, power plant, and vehicle. First cause is releasing of poisonous gases from factories, power plants and vehicles. Why we say these are the causes of the air pollution? Because if you run your bike or any vehicle, we use fuel for that. And if any machine runs in the factory or on the road or in any place, so it may environment polluted. Why? Because if any machine runs, so after it produce some harmful chemicals or harmful poisonous gases that mix in the air, in the fresh air, and air become polluted. Now the number 2. Bursting of crackers bursting of crackers. Number 3, burning of plastic. So these are the causes of the air pollution. Releasing of poisonous gases from factories, power plant and the vehicles. Clear? Bursting of crackers, जब हम फटाके जलाते हैं तो it produce so much smoke, dirty smoke, and that smoke mix in the air. So if you want to burst the crackers, so bursting them in a limit. एक लिमिट में हमें फटाके जलाने चाहिए. Now burning of plastic means whatever the things made by the plastic, you have to if you want to destroy them, so don't burn them. Don't burn them, only keep with you, because it destroy. If you destroy the plastic, so it takes so much time. So many years, after the so many years, plastic destroyed. Clear? So don't burn them, because if you burn the plastic, it produces so many harmful gases. That is not good for the human beings and also the plants, also the animals. Clear? So these are the causes. This is the answer number 2. So if you want to take a picture, take the picture. Okay. I erase it and write the question number 4. Read the question number 4. What is given in the question number 4? Read carefully that. Number 3. What is given in the number 3? Read it. How can we control soil pollution? Means which things we are not do. Which thing we are not do with the soil? Or which activity affect the soil? Means we are not doing that. So we protect the soil. So question is related to how can we control soil pollution. If we are control some activities, that activity harmful for the soil, if we control them, so automatically we protect the soil. So write about that. First we write the question. How can we control soil pollution? Question mark. Put the question mark here. How control the soil pollution? We control soil pollution in the following ways. In the following ways. First, we control soil pollution in the following ways. Whatever we do to protect the soil, write that activities. Name of that activities are what we do. We mention here. In the first point, throw garbage. Throw garbage in a dustbin. If you want to throw garbage, so don't throw the garbage in the open space. In the open space, in the place of the open space, you have to use which thing? Dustbin. Now, the number 2, second point. Avoid using polybag. Means don't use plastic bags. In the place of plastic bag, you have to use which types of bag? Jute, homemade bag that is made by the cloth. Use that bags. Don't use plastic bags. Now number 3. Recycle waste material. Recycle waste material. Recycle waste materials means some things we destroy in the open space. Suppose the peeling of the vegetables, cover of the fruits, now the waste material of the animals. So we should use that thing to make manure. Clear? That is the good for the nature and beneficial for the plants. Means it not destroy the soil and also give the benefits of the plants. So through that we get a good healthy food. So recycle waste materials. So this is the answer number 3. How can we control soil pollution? We control soil pollution in the following ways. First number, throw garbage in a dustbin. Number 2, avoid using poly bags, means don't use polythene bags. In the place of polythene bags, we have to use which types of bag? Homemade bag that is made through the which thing? Cloths are jute. Recycle waste material means the wastage things of our food item, that is peeling of the, peeling means छिलके सब्जियों के, and after that some cover of the fruits, कुछ छिलके सब्जियों के, हमारे fruits के, so we should dump them in a pit, and leaves, dry leaves, through that we make manure. After the some process we get a pure manure that is the beneficial for the plants, and if that beneficial for the plant, automatic we get healthy fruits and food items, grains, cereals, these all the food items we get from the plants. But the soil is most necessary thing for the plants. Without soil can we grow anything? No. So if we protect the soil, automatically we protect our food. So this is the answer number 3. Now the fourth number. What is given in the fourth question? Read that. What is the use of compost pit? Means compost pit, this is the manure. We collect the waste material in a one place, make a pit, make a big, dig a pit means एक बड़ा गड्ढा खोदते हैं and collect that thing in that pit, and after this some process or after the some times we get a healthy manure for the plant. So this question related to pit. What is the use of compost pit? In the compost pit we prepare manure for the plants. So write the answer of this question. First we write question. What is the use of compost pit? What is the use of compost pit? Put the question mark here. Now, use of the compost pit. Through that we prepare manure for the plant. So write the answer. Compost pit compost pits should be made to convert waste into manure. This is the answer. Compost pit should be made to convert waste into manure. Means if you want to prepare manure, we use which thing? compost pits. So this is the answer number 4. What is the use of the compost pit? Through that we prepare manure, means we convert the waste material in the manure. If you want to take a picture, so take the picture. Other student, I send you all the things in our group. Clear? Understand? List out 2 causes of noise pollution. List out 2 causes of noise pollution. This is the noise. N-O-I-S-E, noise. The causes of noise pollution are one number. What is the meaning of the noise? Means the sound that is not good for the ears. We say this is the noise. Clear? So what are the causes of this unwanted sound? Write about that here. Loud music, number 2, excessive honking of horn. Horns means if you require horn, that time you have to use the horn, otherwise if you unnecessary using the horn, it must be increase the which thing? Noise pollution. Clear? So student, here we completed our question answer of the chapter number 18, and after this question we don't write anything. Clear? So the new words of the chapter number 18, and this is the question answer. This is the answer number 5. In this question, what we wrote? We list out the 2 causes of the noise pollution. First is loud music. If you use loud music in any occasion, like birthday party, marriage. Clear? That time you play a loud music. It increase the noise pollution. Now after this, excessive honking of horn means unnecessary you use the horn of the vehicle. Clear? So this is the two causes. Now student, I send you all the question in the group. Now student, I also include one chapter in your syllabus, that is the chapter number 11. In the next lecture, I explain you that chapter, means in your syllabus, chapter number 11 also. Clear? The chapter number 11 is, name of this chapter is Where Animals Live. So this chapter I also include in your syllabus and I explain you in the next lecture. Before finishing the lecture, I want to say you something about that is related to your examination. Your syllabus you already know. Chapter number 14 and 15. Your syllabus for the PT4. Clear? And write all the things related to chapter number 18 in your CW notebook. I send you all the things in the group. Okay student, and I hope you are doing well. Means you revise all the things of all the chapters and read the chapter at home. Clear? So I finish my lecture here. Take care yourself. Bye.